Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and stylish because in this video I'm going to share 100 creative, very beautiful, stylish, amazing and eye-catchy design ideas of dresses, dress designing ideas for stylish girls, for trendy, fashionable, everyday, comfortable outfits. All of these dresses are very beautiful, stylish and very creative for the wearer. So the girls who are office going, working women, or even pregnant ladies could also make these very beautiful and easy to wear comfortable patterns onto their dresses with some sort of loose fitting dresses. And these embroidery patterns are absolutely favorable for gatherings, friend gatherings, parties, meetings, presentations, or daily college, university, school lectures. So if you really like my design ideas, then please do try them. And if you want to give us some suggestion, or you want to give us the feedback about how you feel about our content, our design ideas, then do comment below my videos. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe right now. If you want to get more creative, stylish, trendy and amazing design ideas related to women fashion, then please don't forget to subscribe, and please make a habit of watching my content on daily basis, because on daily basis we do our best, we try our best to share creative, stylish and designer style patterns with you. So this was all for today. For getting more creative, latest, stylish and designer style fashion updates, subscribe our channel and watch our content on daily basis. And please make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family, so that we could grow up into a large and a remarkable number of friends and family members. So take care. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Jazakallah for watching once again. Allah Hafiz.